Discover the Keyboard Pro with Numpad in Creo, your solution for increased efficiency and comfort. With 12 programmable keys and an on-screen display, it's easier than ever to access your essential Creo commands instantly, speeding up your workflow and improving your design experience. Accelerate your product development using the preset commands or tailor them based on your needs. The Keyboard Pro recognizes the environment you work in at any given time. The convenient on-screen display reminds you at all times which commands are assigned in each environment, so that you don't have to remember it. Use the wireless Numpad simultaneously with your mouse for a faster, two-handed workflow. Enjoying a more efficient way to enter numbers while you keep perfecting your design. Discover the Keyboard Pro with Numpad now.